to take this yoga block, we're going to stick it right here between the knees. We can put your feet wherever they feel the most comfortable. From there, we're going to squeeze the yoga block or the pillow or the squishy ball, whatever it is that you have. And then we're just going to sit into a hip hinge. And then we're going to come back up where we feel like we can. We want to make sure that when we're going back into our hip hinge that we're not rounding the back, and we're not excessively arching the back. We want a nice, flat, neutral spine. If you feel like you can tolerate it, you'll go hands without holding onto a box or a chair or anything like that, and do the same thing. To progress it, what we can do is we can shift the position of our legs a little bit. So this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to position the leg that I'm working on behind me just a little bit. Then I'm going to maintain that same squeeze and go back into that hip hinge. When I switch the position of the legs, whatever legs shifted backwards a bit, I may feel that groin or that adductor on the inside working a little bit harder, or I also may feel a little bit of a bigger stretch in the glute when I sit back into my hip hinge. Good luck, have fun, let me know if you have any questions.